In the previous class, we explained about virus up to symmetry. Now we discuss virus remaining and plant physiology chapter water relations. Virus remaining means previously we discussed up to capsomere arrangement symmetry. Now we discussed this structure of bacteriophage, structure of tobacco mosaic virus, replication in viruses, then how viral diseases in plants and how viruses are transmitted and how virus is controlled. So, coming to the first one, we will go to the bits. First bit, the nucleic acid in blue tongue virus is. On that day, I told normally in viruses there will be double stranded DNA or single stranded RNA. Double stranded DNA is normally present, but some shows single stranded DNA. They are 5-7 into 174 bacteriophages, 5x into 174 bacteriophages and M13 bacteriophages. There are some with double stranded RNA. They are reovirus, wound tumor virus, reovirus, wound tumor virus, blue tongue virus, maize rough dwarf virus, maize rough dwarf virus, rice dwarf virus and others. So, in blue tongue virus, the genetic material is double stranded DNA, double stranded RNA. So, nucleic acid in blue tongue virus is double stranded RNA, second option. Next, protomers are absent in. Protomers means capsomeres. The other name of protomers is capsomeres. So, protomers are absent in not wound tumor virus, because wound tumor virus is a complete virion with nucleic acid and capsomeres. Rice dwarf virus. Rice dwarf virus is also a virus which is a complete virion with nucleic acid and capsid protein coat. M13 virus. M13 virus is also a complete virus with protein coat and nucleic acid. In this, potato spindle tuber virus. Potato spindle tuber virus is a viroid. What is viroid? It shows only nucleic acid. A protein coat is completely absent. If protein coat is completely absent, capsomeres are absent, that is protomers are absent. So, protomers are absent in potato spindle tuber virus, second option. In TMV, the structure with 4 nm size is. In TMV, the structure with 4 nm size is, 4 nanometer size is. The central core, it includes single stranded RNA. Around this single stranded RNA, capsomeres are arranged in the form of a spiral staircase. So, they are arranged in the form of a spiral staircase. These are capsomeres, this is central core, and within the central core you will find single stranded RNA. The speciality of central core is it is open on both sides. It is a rod shaped virus. So, here the question is in TMV, the structure showing 4 nanometer size is central hole, length of particle, diameter of particle, diameter of capsomere. So, central hole, length is around 300 nanometers, diameter is around 18 to 19 nanometers, diameter of capsomere is not there. So, central hole, the central core or central hole is around 4 nanometers size, first option. The total number of nucleotides in the RNA of tobacco mosaic virus. The total number of nucleotides in RNA of tobacco mosaic virus. The total number of capsomeres are 2130. The molecular weight is 39 into 10 power 6 Daltons. Each capsomere contain 158 amino acids. Then the nucleotides in RNA will be 6500. So, capsomeres are 130. Molecular weight is 39 × 10 power 6 Daltons. Each capsomere contains 158 amino acids, and above all, the number of nucleotides in the RNA of TMV, not 6000, not 2130, that is the capsomere number. 39 × 10 power 6 Daltons is molecular weight, 3000 is not there. So, answer is 6500. So, the total number of nucleotides in the RNA of tobacco mosaic virus is 6500 nucleotides. This is first option. The minimum number of nitrogen bases present in the gene of TMV that code its protomer. That code its protomer is, protomer contain 158 amino acids. 158 amino acids means 158 into 3 you have to write. If you write 158 into 3, some number will come. To that number, if you add 3, you will get the minimum number of nitrogen bases present in the gene of tobacco mosaic virus that code a protomer, that code a capsomere, that code a protein in capsomere. The answer is 477. So, the minimum number of nitrogen bases present 158 amino acids into 3 plus 3. Why plus 3 means we have to write anticodons also. The total number of nitrogen bases present in the gene of tobacco mosaic virus that codes its protomer is 477. The third option is for this 477. Next. Each capsomere of tobacco mosaic virus covers about the following number of ribonucleotides. Each capsomere of tobacco mosaic virus, each capsomere of tobacco mosaic virus covers about the following number of ribonucleotides. Ribonucleotide number is 6500. The capsomere's number is 2130. So, it is around 3. So, answer is 3. Each capsomere of tobacco mosaic virus covers about the following number of ribonucleotide means around 3 ribonucleotides. First option.